Hey everybody, it's Lori from Giggle Girl Arts. I am here getting ready to put together my stuff for the monthly junk journal challenge that Dear Julie Julie puts on. I am putting my kit together, and this is for her June Just Junk Journal Challenge 2021. And here is the hashtag 4JC62021. All right, so for this challenge, Julie goes into a very detailed video, and I will have that linked below. Today is the 19th, and I'm just getting started, so I think that I can get it done in time. There's a few requirements. The first thing we're supposed to do is gather items. A paper pad, and that is referring to like scrapbook paper, any size. A Dear Julie Julie digital kit, and we have to use at least 5 pages from the digital kit, and she has those available on her Etsy shop. She said we can print those digitals on anything. Then we have to have 11 items that are just junk. So we have to have packing paper. The thing she showed was things that come in a package, like some stickers or a calendar or something like that. So what I've got this drawer that I've got all different kinds of packing things in. And so this is like an example. This would be the packing paper right here. And then another thing we have to have is the clear part. So I've got, like I said, I've got this drawer full of stuff. So we need that, and the packaging clear, packing material, a privacy envelope, a calendar, clothing or linen or both, a gift box or bag, cool junk paper, cool junk other, the Dear Julie Julie digital, and the scrapbook paper. So I showed you my first two, my packing paper and packaging clear. Also, I found this larger one that I got a swap in, and we are going to have to make a page for our junk journal. So there's a large one that would probably work for that. Okay, then other things we need to have is packing material. And one of the things she said we could use is tissue paper. And I happen to have this tissue paper from a gift that I gave someone. So, yeah, that's one thing. And I have more tissue paper in different colors. I'm not really sure if this color is going to go, but I am one of those people who has been, I actually started saving tissue paper to use on some of my mixed media paintings before I started making junk journals. So that's one thing. Okay. I had written down that this cardboard box mailer, but I'm not going to be able to make a page out of that because I'm thinking I might use it for my cover. Either this or a torn up used composition book. Okay, another thing we need is privacy envelopes. So that's number 4. And I actually have, there's a large one. I have a whole bunch. And some smaller ones. So I got I've got like a hanging file folder full. I had to make sure I was still recording. I got cut off the other day. Okay, there's that. We also need a calendar, and she said it had to be older than 2019. So I've got this one that you can see I actually used some of this, I don't remember, in a different challenge, but I think it's from 2017 and 2018 with horses on it. So my theme is going to be animals and creatures. Then we need an item of clothing or linen or both. So I have this table runner, and I actually started using it last month, but I got it from my almost mother-in-law, Joanne, and because her son and I are engaged but not married, and she was going to throw it away. She's moving right now, so I got tons of stuff from her. And then for my article of clothing, if you saw my Goodwill video, and I'll link that either in the description box or a card or something. And I got this Goodwill dress. It's really pretty. I searched through my old clothes, or all of my clothes really, they're old, and I was looking for something that had an animal on it, but the only thing I could find was my Game of Thrones shirt with a dragon on it, and I actually have plans for that shirt. I'm hopefully going to be making a dragon journal in the near future. I don't know if it'll be for one of the challenges or not. Okay, so that is number 6. Number 7 is a gift box or bag. And I also, I save tissue paper and gift bags. So I have this really cute gift bag of this cat. And it looks like fishing wire or something. It's like the cutest thing ever. So there's that. So that's number 7. Number 8 is cool junk paper. I've got this folder, not that folder, this folder that I have put some cool junk paper in. I've got this piece of vellum that I tried to tea dye through a stencil. That didn't work so good. I tried to iron out the wrinkles, and then I think I caused some heat damage on it. So I don't know, I might be able to make a little page out of that. Or I've got some wallpaper that came from a swap in Juliet's Jewels Facebook group. This came from Bonnie, so thank you, Bonnie. So I thought this could make a cute little page. I've got some old magazine pages, so I don't know which one I'm going to use for the page element yet. And one of the cool things that I've got, some of these pages come from, these are all from Stampington and Company. There's some really old magazines. I haven't bought one in years because they're so expensive. But in them, they have like specialty artist paper in them. So I'm not sure which one of these I'm going to use. Kind of depends. So yeah, I don't even know which one it is. And then I started using this last month. Also, I got from Goodwill. So it's going fast. So I might use this. I'm down to just a few pages left. So that, oh, and these file folders I got from Mike's mom. She was gonna throw them away or have them shredded. Well, you see, this one you can even see I tore off the label. I have some that are cut in half and stuff that I've printed digitals on in the past. So that is my cool junk paper. Then for cool junk other, Julie said we could have a book. So I am using this dog encyclopedia that was my daughter's when she was younger, and I saved it. And the cover had ripped off. You know, she was pretty young and didn't really take great care of it, but she loved this book. And I gave her my very first completed junk journal this year or ever that was made from a lot of pages from it. So I gave it to her for her birthday at the end of April. So that is my number 9 cool junk other, my Dear Julie Julie digitals. So she has a brand new kit that came out yesterday, and it is called Daisy Colorful Daisies, or Colorful Daisy. I'm looking. And then for my scrapbook paper, the last, Daisy Colorful Daisy. Started to show you this and then I wanted to double check the name. So it's Daisy Colorful Daisy. I don't have the best printer in the world, but these images are absolutely gorgeous. And I just printed off a few pages. I just wanted to see how they look. But they, yeah, she's got some of the ephemera pages on it. So, yeah, they're just so adorable. So these are just printed on copy paper. Okay. And then my last item, your scrapbook pad or scrapbook paper. I have a couple of pieces left from the Sassafras paper pad, but I might supplement it with a couple others. The thing I love about Sassafras, which they went out of business quite a while ago, was they always had these extra little border strips. So you'd have your, this one I cut down already, but you'd have your 12 by 12 paper, and then you'd have this extra little border strip at the bottom. And they're usually measuring, you know, but like 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. So you'll see some of those. And that is my kit. So thank you for tuning in, and the next video you see will be me getting started on some of the pages and the elements we have to make with each thing. Each one of these 11 items, we have to make a page a tag and an embellishment, and then we can use any other junk that we want. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. All right, I will see you next time. Be sure to watch one of these other videos. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you liked or didn't like, or just say hi. All right, thanks. I'll see you next time. Bye.